Hi everyone, today's makeup tutorial is a soft smoky winged look. I'm starting with tape to get that shape. You can use eyeshadow shields if you prefer, but I didn't have any. So Painterly Paint Pot as a primer and MAC Shroom as the base for the shadow. Then using soft brown, I'm defining the crease of the eye a little bit more. You don't have to do that, but my eyes are a little bit hooded, so I start with that with any look anyways. And then with Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Central Perk and a pencil brush, I'm defining the liner that is going to be the base for the whole look. Using Embark from MAC and the same brush, I'm going over that to make the color deeper. I'm also bringing that up into the crease a tiny bit. It depends on the shape of your eye, how high you want to take it and how much you want to blend it, but just do what works for you. If you feel like you've gone too far with the blending, you can always take it down a bit with Shroom, with MAC brown down and my very shaky hands, and then going back in with a flat liner brush. That's a Morphe brush that came in a set. It doesn't have the number on it, but it's basically the same thing over and over again, adding more brown and then blending and then adding some more brown and then blending until you're somehow happy with the shape and the blending and the depth of the color. And finally, with that same flat brush and a tiny bit of black, I'm basically using that as my liner. Just a very, very, very thin line. Then you can take the tape off, clean up the mess, and go in with foundation. For concealer, I'm using Collection Lasting Perfection because I need the coverage. And then I'm going over everything with MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder to set the face. Hoola bronzer, mostly on the cheeks, the forehead, a tiny little bit on the nose, tiny bit. Don't want to give yourself a brown nose, literally. Double chin, neck, MAC Desert Rose blush. It looks like a lot. That's just because it is. And then Colourpop Dreamscape highlighter. I mean, look how pretty that is. Seriously. So that's in brown down underneath the lower lash line. Really blending that out to make it look more seamless. Black core liner in my waterline to make the look a little bit more smoldering. Blending out some more shadow. And then I added lashes off camera. These are Ardell Demi Wispies. You don't have to do lashes if you don't like lashes. Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade, just to fill in the gaps of my brows. And Fix Plus to set the face. Check your highlight, still popping, good. For the lips, I'm using Whirl from MAC. I'm using both the lip liner and the lipstick. Here's the finished look. Hope you enjoy. Bye!